What's up, guys? This video we are going to do number 10. Call to action. Do not assume that your reader knows what to do to receive the benefits from your offer. You must spell out how to make the order in a very clear and concise language. Whether it's picking up the phone, filling out an order form, faxing the order form, you must tell them exactly how to order from you. I'm very good at that. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to clone this section and clone this section. We are going to move this section down. Yeah, there we go. I think, right? Did I do that right? Yeah, all right, so basically like, and again, obviously like we'll go change this later, yeah, I don't want to deal with the design stuff now. Let me just like write it, and that's it. Okay, so here we go. What was this one again? Call to action. Let's do it. Call to action. Just have a sip of my H2O. Ah, delicious. Okay. Call to action. Wow. Are you still reading this? I'm flattered. I mean, everyone always told me I was an incredible writer, and I do love myself. But, wow. So look, in my authentic way, I'm going to tell you what you need to do right now in order to get your shit together. Because look, you could, well actually I think the next section is give a warning, right? So like call to action, let's just handle that now. What I want you to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and click that little blue button that says something like sign up now or buy now. I still haven't decided what I'm going to write there. But anyway, click that button. Oh God, my back is killing me. Click that button. When you click that button, it's going to bring you to an order page. You're going to scroll down to a couple of empty, scary looking fields. Scary looking fields that have scary words on them, like credit, name on card, and card number. Then I want you to go get whatever credit card you have that's connected to, has enough money on it to sign up for our service. And look, I know it's not cheap. Didn't want to make something cheap. There are tons of cheap services out there that you are more than welcome to experiment with on your own. Really. Maybe some of them are even good. If you want something, the ability, a guaranteed way to sign up ClickFunnels affiliates, get that damn dream car so you can be the one posting stupid screenshots of your ClickFunnels earnings in their Facebook groups, writing stupid, useless comments like, "Hey guys, just add value. Okay, thanks. Haha, I have a Lamborghini." And hanging out with, and working out. Getting kicked, surprising hard by small Thai people with me, then you really have no business not signing up for this. So be a man, even if you're a woman. Pick up your balls, grab your balls in one hand, take your credit card in your other hand, and with your third hand enter in your credit card details in the fields on the next page. There may be some additional offers in there if you want, but you don't need them. In order to execute the plan to sign up massive amounts of ClickFunnels affiliates, like I've outlined for you in this sales letter. So again, to recap, click the button down below, fill out your credit card details, make that purchase, baby. A little chauvinistic, a little rude, a little gas, as we say in Hebrew. But that's just my style, you know? Like, I say I keep it real, and I really do. But like, what it really comes down to is, you know, this isn't like me overly trying to like keep it real, like, yo, whoa, I'm cool, whatever. You know, maybe a little bit of that here and there. But what it really is that I just can't stand like fake marketing talk that you hear like literally everywhere else. This like plastic corporate startup buzzword trash, like again, like just add value. Anyway, getting off topic. So that is that section. Get the idea for how I wrote that. Let's save this bad boy and move on to the next video.